Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy and will subscribe before you leave, and I would like to thank you in advance for doing this. Today I invite you to watch how I did this day-to-day look. If you want to see how I recreate it, just keep watching. I have already primed my lids using Urban Decay primer potion. I also did apply my base. I filmed this get ready with me a while ago when I was testing the Essence Tinted Day Cream. Was review, it's already up on my channel. Now I am taking the second lightest shade from the Petite Heat palette, called Vibrate, on a Real Technique brush, and I'm going to build the transition. Let's zoom in a bit. Taking the lightest shade called Inhale, I'm adding that to highlight my brow bone. Changing the brush, this is an Ebelin blending brush. I'm going to take the shade called Hot Spell and I will blend it into my crease area using both swirl and windshield motions. I will also drag the shadow down on my outer V. Now I'm going to use this Bobbi brown shadow stick that I've got on my Little Things big box. If you haven't seen that video, I will add it here up on the iCard. This is in the shade Golden Pink. So I'm adding this cream stick on my lid. As you can see, my reaction, the product is really nice. All I can say, it's creamy and easy to work with. I went ahead and I also highlighted my inner corner. This product is in the travel size, but I feel you can get quite a use out of it. We didn't finish with Bobbi Brown. I will add this long wear cream shadow on shade Beach Bronze on my outer V. The brush that I'm using, it is also from Real Technique and is called Brow Highlighting Brush. Nothing against this, but those two products are blending great one into the other. Because I did a small mistake, I tried for the first time the e.l.f. correcting pen that I'll show you on my eye hair haul. Really impressed on how it performs. Latest, I have used the same long wear cream shadow to define my lower line. And to finish it, I have taken the shade Haste from the Petit Heat palette. I will also do the brows and the rest of the face out of camera, and I will come back for the mascara. And voila! We came back. For my lips, I have used my Bobbi Brown Crushed Lip Color in shade Babe, which I adore. And also you can see that Bobbi brown shadow that I've swatched before has set and doesn't move. For the face, bronzer, contour and highlighter, I have used my Hourglass Ambient Light Edit 4 palette. Now let's go into mascara, the moment that I've been waiting from a long time. The wand is classic one, nothing spectacular. So the mascara is nice on separating the lashes, but it doesn't give me too much volume or length. I did apply the second coat, but this didn't make so much difference. Overall, on this moment I was not so impressed with this mascara, especially because by the end of the day it was also smudge. Neither the mascara wasn't holding well, and by the way, this is not the Essence You Better Work mascara, but another product, about I will speak with other occasion. But I have tried few days later and it performed really well. So still I have mixed feelings about it, and I'm thinking that I might have got this mascara from a long time. Even it was sealed and it could have been also a bit toward its expiration date. Okay, the third coat helped to build the volume a bit. So, this is my bronzy day-to-day look using mostly Bobbi brown products. I didn't plan so, but I had some products that I wanted to test on camera with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to follow me on my social. I will put on the screen some other videos that I recommend you to watch. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye!